Hello, I'm Ashley, the engineer at Andover Norton. One of the queries we get is regarding wet sumping. Some people like to fit the actual non-return valves in the oil lines. However, I prefer to drain the oil out of the sump and not risk the actual non-return valve failing. Some people don't feel comfortable taking the oil out of the normal drain hole position here because they're scared of damaging the threads in the aluminium. However, there is a way around that, and we use the modified hexagon type item that we've got here. If your crankcases on a Norton Twin have got the big hexagon in this position here, then you can fit the modified strainer assembly. It's a one-for-one replacement and relatively cheap, but in the center it contains the magnetic bolt that you can remove to enable you to drain the wet sumped oil from the sump without risk of damage to the actual threads in the aluminium case. If you damage the threads in this, it's easier to replace. It's a one-for-one replacement, and when you unscrew the big hex on your bike that you've got there already, nothing's going to spring or pop out or drop out. If anything does, one, it shouldn't be in there, and two, something's not right elsewhere. So all you should get is just the strainer and some oil. It comes with the seal, and it also comes with the spanner. The spanner's very good on the early Commandos that have the center stand mounted onto the actual frame. This allows you to get in there better than trying to do it with an open-ended spanner or a large adjustable. There is a recommendation for not tightening the actual drain bolt itself, because you can do more damage by over tightening it. Generally, when I do mine, I just do it up finger tight and then nip it up with a 9/16 AF spanner, and I've never known it to come out in 28 years. The kit number is 067281. Of course, there will be photographs of this when I have finished. If you've got any queries or you need any more information, feel free to ask myself or Simon at Andover Norton. Or you can send an email in as well with pictures. We like the pictures of bikes and parts. Thank you very much.